Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to never miss a video from Fever FM.
Seema Taparia from Mumbai. Hi, I'm Sriram from Bangalore.
Yesterday I was in Bangalore, Sriram.
Yes, I heard you were here for the big wedding. You were at the Leela Palace.
My
I-
God. You saw my Insta, I think. You saw my Insta. I think so.
And a few friends were at the wedding as well. And couldn't have picked a better destination, I guess. Bangalore's weather is beautiful and it's lovely to have you
I
here.
got mad. It was a hill station. And the Leela Palace was what a place.
Well, congratulations are in order. 1 year of Indian matchmaking, and looks like your stars are aligned because you've hit the jackpot, the Emmys.
God is great, Sriram. God is great. And
Well,
the love and respect of all the people, that is important.
Right. Congratulations
Celebration.
on
Double
the Indian matchmaking just being nominated as one of the shows for the Emmys. Did you expect this kind of love? Did you expect this kind of reception for the show?
I'll tell you, God is great. I never thought that Indian matchmaking also will rock the world. So that has been, and it was a double celebration that I never thought that it'll be a nominee in Emmys. So I'll tell you really, that I cannot express myself what happiness I felt.
What was it like once the show hit the airwaves? Were you flooded by phone calls? Uh, did you have your friends, family, all of them talking about Indian matchmaking? What was that reception like?
Sriram, 16, the show released, and from 17, I was getting 1,000 phone calls every day throughout the world. And I got some 5,000 biodatas and emails. Through two emails I've received. People search the number from the Google and they are going on calling at the pandemic. I didn't have any staff, nobody in the house. Myself, my daughter, my 3 servants, and my husband. Just we are running every second. We are picking phone because people had only landline from the Google. So that was the thing, and what they have showered. And yesterday also in Bangalore, I heard that after the show, only in everybody's house, only this discussion was there about Indian match. And from the world, the US has told me, Seemaji, you have put India on the world map. Such a big thing they have told me. Okay, everybody in US is talking about Indian matchmaking in Seema Taparia. Means India ko aapne world map pe, you have kept India on the world map. And in South Africa, my cousin is there. He was telling everybody's talking. In Japan, somebody is saying non-Indians also are watching the show and they are only talking about the show. So it was a big achievement, big achievement. And I
You
never
know,
dreamt that the show will rock the world. I never did.
Right. There are so many moments when you look at the show, and you can watch it absolutely any single day. It's a classic. And right from memes being made about the show to people commenting on everything that happened on the show, there are moments which probably can make someone feel uncomfortable as well. It's a show produced from the US. However, Indian matchmaking is being displayed. How did you think the entire show came about in portraying Indian matchmaking? A lot of things were as real as it can get, right?
Indian matchmaking, they have showed Seema Taparia and her family values, her Indian values. The way I am, they have portrayed me the same thing in the show. My Indian mentality, my Indian mindset, everything they have shown. So I'm proud of me that what I am, I'm proud of myself. And these all values are coming since thousands of years. It's coming on. So nothing new. What I have told, that is the fact of life. You have to do in a family life, if you want a life to go smoothly, you have to follow these rules. Small rules there. When you are following your rules in your office, in your school, college life, or in anywhere, so why not in our family life? Why can't we follow these values? So my Guru Mantra, what I have given in the show, is youngsters have to follow. Few youngsters have told, Seema auntie is orthodox. But yes, I'm orthodox. But these values will lead you in a good family life and a happy, smooth family life.
Speaking of which, Simaji, what is the secret to a happily married life?
Sriram, I have told them that a little compromise, little flexibility, and a little adjustment. And give and take, love and respect between us, the partners. If you follow this, then the life will go smoothly. And in today's world, everybody is independently financially successful. They are working. They want their own decision. They don't want to change in today's world. The youngsters, they are so proud that, and they're egoistic. They don't want to change that thing. So if you follow this thing, I've told one guru mantra, you follow your personal life also, and you balance your professional life also, both. If you do this, both the things, life will go smooth.
Yeah, it's as simple as that. I don't know where all the complication comes in.
Simple
Say,
as that. When you do it everywhere, I've told the airport example in many of my interviews. When you go to the airport and when they say, "Sir, the flight is late for 3 hours," what do you do there? Just to sit,
yeah,
have a coffee, read a magazine, or do a walk on the airport, or you jump. Nahi, nahi, abhi ke abhi flight chalu karo. I want to go. There you can adjust. Like example, I'm telling because you're forced to adjust there. Then why not in husband wife in a family life? Little you have to compromise and adjust. Why can't we do that? And one thing I've told, oh, our mentality is not matching, our compatibility is not matching. I tell them, you two brothers or you two sisters are same, you're not same. You have a different mindset, both of you. Then why the male and the female who are born from the different mother's womb, how can they be same? You have to little adjust, compromise. And nowadays, a big thing is that compatibility is not there. So I don't believe, what is that compatibility? Myself and my husband, we are staying since 38 years, but no compatibility. But it's okay. His choice is different. My hobbies are different. Like example, this happens in every house. So we are adjusting and we are married and we are staying
oh, this is surreal. I'm so happy that I get to speak to you.
together.
And the words that you used about flexibility.
Are you agreeing, Sriram? Are you agreeing?
Yeah, I mean, look, I respect your point of view. And by the end of the day, we are Indian and we have grown up with our elders talking about these values as well. Times definitely are changing. Simaji, you're an Indian matchmaker, and then you have these matchmaking apps as well. Do you think it's a good approach to find your partner? Would you suggest the app route?
Sriram, I think you saw the show and I think you know how I work. But I'm going to tell you again. My way of working is completely different and with a personal touch. I personally fly to in pandemic also I was flying the whole India. I was going to every city. People are saying, my God, pandemic में आप आए हो हम तो घर के बाहर नहीं निकल रहे.
Hmm.
But I used to fly, I meet the person, I understand their preferences, I see their family background standard, and I see their business, I meet the person, ask their preferences. Then after scanning, filtering, I give the buy data to the people. It's not like this, ki somebody has come, Seemaji, give me and I'll give it. I do all the work and then after that I proceed. That is my way of working. But I don't know anything about the other apps. So good luck to them. But this is my way of.
Lovely. Seemaji, what advice would you want to give to youngsters per se? Because everyone's attention span these days have come down. And at one point of time, social norms are changing. We are living in a different era altogether. Individuals are not the same. There is a generation gap being set as well. So, what would you like to say to young brides and grooms aspiring to get married?
See, these values, what I've told, these values have come from thousands of years. The give and take relation, love and respect and all. Even we are following that. So we are not having any problems. So these values have some important, kuch to important is there in this thing, what I'm telling. So if the youngsters follow this value of give and take, love and respect, so then the problems, what are they? The divorces, the depression, the fights, or anything, this all will stop if you follow these values. So I give only one guru mantra to the whole world, that give and take, love and respect, and flexibility and little compromise and adjustment. If you follow this, everything will go smoothly and balance your professional and personal life. I'm doing it, my professional and personal life, I'm balancing it. That way, everybody has to do this. If you want to go your life smoothly and you want to be happy, that's my guru.
Lovely.
to the youngsters.
Speaking of your professional life, can we expect a Indian matchmaking season 2 anytime soon? Is that work in progress?
I'll tell you, Sriram, that my association with the Netflix is very pleasant, and I'm looking forward in working with them. So if something is there, I think you'll come to know soon.
Lovely.
Yeah, something progress is there, तो आपको पता लग ही जाएगा.
And when the Emmy nomination happened as such, what was your reaction? Because a lot of people were like, really, wow, I can't believe this. Ki Indian matchmaking is nominated for the Emmys.
It was a double celebration actually, because yesterday the 1 year and the Indian matchmaking gave me a global recognition in the world. In the whole world, Seema Taparia from Mumbai has become a brand, and everybody knows in every community, every caste, every country, and every village. So I'll tell you, God is great. I never dreamt dreams also. The show will be such amazing that people will like me in the show. Everywhere, wherever I go, Seema Aunty, we loved you because it was a reality show. Your simplicity, your humbleness, that has really won our hearts. Everybody, everywhere in Bangalore also, each and every youngster wants to a picture with me. Oh, Simanti, we loved you so much. So I wanted love and respect, Sriram. And since childhood, I used to feel I want a love and respect from the world. And I got this from this show.
Right. I mean, just Indian matchmaking is being displayed to the rest of the world, and there is so much in play. Families, astrology, Kundali, stars need to align as well. Compared to the West, would you feel our concepts, our cultures are loaded um, rather than how it is in the West? Huge difference?
See, for Kundli and all, it depends on person to person. It's not necessarily everybody believes in Kundli. But nowadays, marriages are breaking like biscuits. For that reason, people wants to match Kundli. Because they think, at least we have matched the Kundli now, the guilt feeling is not there in us. And if you don't match and something happens, then the parents say, we could have matched the Kundli. At least come se kam these things, hum log suffer to nahi karte, we could have not seen all these things. So there is a fear in the mind of the people due to this breaking of the marriages. But Kundli is really 80% it's right. That when the stars and when the things they match with the proper astrologer, not like all that in computer they are matched and all. If proper astrologer matches, then the things will go smooth. But the
Right.
guilt is there in the people's mind, in the parents, ki we have to match that. 80% of the people in India have now started matching the Kundlis. So it is depends on person to person. It's
And it is not andavishwas, you say. It's not something,
not
it's actually got a method to it.
yeah, I believe in that. So I don't know about anybody, but it's not Anvishwa. It is a fact. I've seen my Jyotishis and all, if they say, yeah, she's going to get married, example just I'm telling, next year, like, so the stars are preferable at that time and that things happen. So it's a science actually. They are also not God. It's a science. Whatever they have studied, it's a science and they predict according to that.
Right. I'm sure a lot of people still want to know what happened to the couples. Are you in touch with them from the show? And did they find their happily ever after?
Yeah, I'm still in touch with them and they are happy. 2, 3 got married. Yesterday, 3 days before, one participant got engaged 3 days before. So I'm in touch with them. They all are happy.
Lovely. Well, the pandemic may have affected the wedding business overall, or has it not? Seemaji, you've been busy one way or another, but has pandemic slowed things down for the wedding market overall? A lot of weddings that are happening on Zoom, virtual platforms, and everything. But looks like it's opening up again, and you have plenty of weddings to attend to.
Yeah, the weddings are going on, Sriram, and just the government has restricted the people. Like the wedding what I was in Bangalore, 100 people were there in Leela. Like it's restricted, but the weddings are going on because the child is going to be born, he's going to be engaged, he's going to be married. So how can he wait? So weddings are going on, but in a low profile type with less people and all, but they're going. But those who want to do grand weddings, they're going out of somebody's going in south, somebody's going elsewhere. People are doing that also. If they want to call people, but the process is going on of weddings.
Lovely. Seema Taparia, it's been an absolute pleasure. Thank you so very much. And here's to the best to come. Hopefully, the Emmys, we actually win this award. That would be quite nice.
We
You're
will win
already a
for
star.
India. We will win Emmys. And you all have to pray for your best wishes are there with me, and you all have to pray, and we will win Emmys this time.
You are a rock star. Or as a
Thank you.
parting note, anything you want to say to youngsters?
Shri Ram, the Guru Mantra, what I've told is that please you be a little flexible and low down your egoism. That is very important. And have patience. That is one thing. Nowadays, the youngsters don't have patience. The very much big thing is you have patience and low down your egoism and little compromise and adjust. That's all. The life will go smoothly. There will be no problems. That's my.
Simaji, one last thing I wanted to ask you. You must have, of course, received so many congratulatory messages. There must have been people who were topifying their opinion about the show as well. Does that say affect you? Do you let it affect you? Does that hurt you in any way? So many people have their opinions on the internet, right? The internet is a free world.
I'm so happy when I read all the messages. I tell you, it has not affected me 1% also, because they have full right to discuss and give their views. How can I tell you? Always tell me positives. There will be negatives and positives. Then only the show becomes it. So it has not affected me, and I respect everybody. Whoever tell me anything, I respect everybody. So kuch bhi mere farak nahi pada. I'm happy. I enjoy. I read the memes and I laugh. And whatever is there, I read in the internet, Instagram, and up, and I enjoy. It's it.
You are a rock star, and I'm so very
Yes,
happy.
democracy.
You are a true rock star, and we are happy that we got to see you unhinged, completely unapologetic, and you being yourself through this show called Indian Matchmaking. Congratulations once again. Look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you, man.
Thank you, Shriram. It was a pleasure talking to you.